We live in a world that offers rapid changes with every passing second. As a result, you're not able to concentrate. You can try any method or strategy, but being unable to focus means it's impossible to complete your tasks or achieve success. If you think you cannot focus, we have reasons and solutions for you. Greetings! In this video, you will get to know about what focus is and its true importance in our lives to achieve our desired goals and ambitions, how multitasking can affect our lives, and what is its impact on our ability to complete our tasks. So, if you want to know more, watch the complete video. What does it mean to be focused? Discussing focus begins by understanding what the term focus really means. Keeping it all simple and focused means having clear aims and objectives and dedicating all your tasks and activities to those goals. Correct decision-making is a step towards staying focused. By staying focused, your attention and struggles remain confined to your aims and are not dictated to irrelevant tasks. Trouble or disaster is the opposite of being focused. When there is no focus in life, there is no joy, peace, and success. Such people always end up wasting their time on things that have no importance and get little or no benefit. Relation between multitasking and staying focused. Multitasking means the ability to do multiple jobs at the same time. Several types of research have shown that in the long run, multitasking leads to depressed mental functions and capabilities. It not only reduces your efficiency, but also your capacity to perform tasks successfully. It offers less productive than doing a single job at a single time. Researchers have also found that those people who are bounded with multiple electronic information are unable to pay the right amount of attention and hence cannot achieve one expected outcome at a time. Unable to prioritize what is most important. Having a long, never-ending list of jobs to do leaves you completely unable to divide those tasks, whether it's important or not. You cannot prioritize your tasks and try to complete all of them within the same boundaries of time and attention. You may tick those items off your to-do list, but in this race of multitasking, when you reach the end of the week, you find yourself not even a little bit closer to your aim, or this may worsen. Our learning ability is affected negatively, or we may end up questioning our efforts. Significance of staying focused. Stay focused is so important in today's world. This gives you a less stressed and happier life. It gets your work done promptly, increases the quality of your task, and provides you with creative ideas. Unable to focus? Why? Distractions are present everywhere. They might be digital or related to one's lifestyle. To be short of discipline or willpower may be another reason, but it all starts with our own personal, behavioral, or biological patterns which may have been ignored for years. With a solid understanding of the problem, we may come up with authentic and practical solutions to improve our focus. Some of the main reasons for lack of focus are: lack of motivation. Motivation is what we all need to keep us going through and achieve our objectives. But what if we are lacking motivation? A pile of incomplete projects? Motivation and staying focused are all you need to complete them. A lack of motivation hits only when it is the time to stay the most focused or keeps us away from being focused. Our brains work in a way that they seek small rewards for every small task we perform. This can make it complicated to stay motivated all the time. There are many reasons why you are lacking motivation. The most important and common is that you are not sure of what you want or there is no clarity. And this all starts when you change your way of thinking when you no longer see yourself as an unmotivated person. Set your goals, prioritize the more important tasks, stay motivated to complete those tasks, and watch yourself grow at the individual level. Distraction. Distractions are mere breaks from a longer period of discomfort. It does not at all mean a focus deficit. It simply means to focus on things that are little or not important. It is also frustrating because it takes a much longer time than expected. This happens often because the brain is struggling to reorient itself. Just notice how easy it is to divert your attention to something else. Too tired after studying the page? A small Instagram break may relieve, but only a motivated person remembers to come back to the task. Consider taking productive breaks during our activities to refresh your morale and energy. Issues with managing time. Being good at managing time can help you get the maximum of your tasks done. You can stay motivated and optimize your potential and career. Many people find it difficult to find the correct time management tactics. Multitasking may seem like a productive way to manage time, but actually, it can make tasks take longer time than they normally would. It is because it involves shifting from one task to the other, and it can affect your work quality. Procrastination habits. Procrastination is the most common reason for losing focus. It means delaying your tasks to do until there is little time left. People do this for many reasons. For example, a habit to achieve perfectionism and not so clear goals. One way to overcome procrastination is by setting a time for a short period and start working. And if you don't feel like working, you can take a small pause at the end of that set time. Lack of capability is not the real issue, but it is our emotional procrastination. If we don't deal with the right strategies to manage it, results in disaster. We are unable to stay focused and complete our tasks. Mental health issues. Mental health issues can damage our focus just as dangerously as physical health issues. They not only alter our thought patterns but can affect our brains, which is the hub of attention and focus. Resultantly, they may then work differently. Mental illness deranges our ability to focus. All mental illnesses are not the same. They present with different signs and symptoms, so troubled focusing doesn't appear the same for everyone. People suffering from anxiety, depression, ADHD, dyslexia, and other conditions face a different set of challenges to focus on their jobs. Physical health issues. Just as mental health issues may be a reason for troubled focus, similar physical health issues are of the same importance. Dehydration. After sleeping for more than recommended hours or coming back home on a very hot summer day, your body is going to be dehydrated. If you start your day with enough glasses of water, it'll make a huge difference to your ability to focus and energy levels. Healthy diet. When you have a pile of work to do, you may just stick it out until your mealtime or the end of the day. But hunger deranges your ability to do work significantly. Keeping some healthy snacks such as fruit or nuts in your workspace makes it easier for you to keep your belly full and stay focused. Posture. Take short walks after sitting for an extended period throughout the day. It can also be a type of positive distraction you need. The built-in breaks are perfect to attain peak focus. Try to get outside. Sunlight has been proven to improve attention and performance. Considering a stand-up desk may help as well. How you can focus. We have some strategies for you to help you focus, such as eating a healthy diet and drinking plenty of water. Try to have more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Set up a planner for your daily tasks. Make a complete schedule daily along with time. If nothing helps, go to a psychologist and have yourself evaluated. Mental health is necessary for better focus. Bottom line, focus can change your life if you use it the right way. Successful people know the importance of focus in life. The focus you have is a huge factor in the level of success you achieve. When your focus is aligned with your actions and the goals you have in mind, it will produce amazing results and take your life to the next best level. Fortunately, with a healthier understanding of our body, behavioral patterns, and a few practical strategies, we can start to tackle our problems with attention so that we can give our mindfulness and focus to the things or jobs that matter the most. This wraps up our video for today. Hope it will help you to focus better on your tasks. If you want more videos like this, comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.